Good day, students! Welcome back to Cool Series at Schools Learning English Online. For today's lesson, I will be teaching the P.5 English grammar. By the way, let me check. How are you today? That's good to hear. I am very well too. So this time, let's proceed to our topic. Our topic for today is all about possessive adjectives. Can you say it with me? Possessive adjectives. Very good. So our topic for today is possessive adjectives. But before we will start, please open your book on page 39. Again, open your book on page 39. Are you ready? Let's go. Possessive adjectives. Do you know what is possessive adjectives? Okay, today we will define and learn about it. But before that, let's define it first, word by word. Let's start with the word possessive. When we talk about possessive, what is that? What is it? Okay, possessive means it talks about ownership. Again, what is possessive? It talks about ownership. How about the word adjectives? Okay, when we talk about adjectives, these are words used to describe something. Again, these are words used to describe something. Now we have possessive. When we talk about possessive, ownership. And when we talk about adjectives, used to describe. Remember those words, ownership and describe. Okay? As we go along with the topic, remember those words because we will use it. So now, the real meaning of possessive adjectives is that are adjectives that are used to show ownership. Again, possessive adjectives are adjectives that are used to show ownership. That is about possessive. We have ownership here, and the next definition is that it comes before a noun. Again, it comes before a noun in the sentence and lets us know to whom the noun belongs. Okay, again, what is the second definition of possessive adjectives? It comes before a noun in the sentence and lets us know to whom the noun belongs. Okay, we have here an example. My bag is red. Can you read it? Very good. So my bag is red. Now, where is the noun in this sentence? Can you point out where is the noun in this sentence? Okay, the noun here is the word bag. When we talk about noun, it is the name of thing, name of place, name of person, as long as it's a name. That is what we call noun. So this time, bag is the name of the thing that we used to carry and put our things inside it. So we have here the definition. It comes before a noun. So bag is the noun. So what comes before bag? The word? Very good. The word my. So therefore, in this sentence, the possessive adjective is the word my. Again, let's read the sentence. My bag is red. The noun is the bag. And the possessive adjective is my. Very good. So now, let's try to identify some possessive adjective in a sentence. Okay, we have here the first sentence. His puppy is very cute. Okay, his puppy is very cute. Which do you think is the noun? Very good. The noun there is the word puppy. So what comes before puppy? It's the, very good, it's the his. So in this sentence, the possessive adjective is the word his. Next sentence. I saw your wallet on the table. Again, I saw your wallet on the table. Now, where is the noun? We have two nouns. It's on the table. We have here table and wallet. But which noun am I referring to? Okay, the noun is wallet. And what comes before wallet? Very good. The possessive adjective in this sentence is your. Next sentence. Her hair is longer than mine. Again, her hair is longer than mine. In this sentence, which do you think is the noun? Point it out. Okay, the noun here is the word hair. And what comes before hair? It's the possessive adjective, which is the word her. Her hair is longer than mine. Next sentence. We have the last sentence for this example. Our shop will be open next month. Our shop will be open next month. So, which do you think is the noun? And which do you think is the possessive adjective? Okay, possessive adjective. Okay, let's start first with the noun. Noun is the word shop. And the possessive adjective is the word are. Very good. You are really participating. So, I would like to introduce to you the first possessive adjective. We have the word my. Say it louder. My. Okay, my is an example of possessive adjective. But it is used if the subject of the sentence is the pronoun I. Again, when the subject is I in the sentence and you need to use possessive adjective, you will use the word my. For example, I have a dog. I have a dog. So, if you are going to use the possessive adjective, you are going to use my. Look at this sentence. My pet is a dog. My pet is a dog. Because here, the sentence is using I. So, of course, as what I told you, if the subject is I, you will use the possessive adjective my. So, we have the other example. I have a pen. I have a pen. So, when you're going to use the possessive adjective, it will become my pen is color black. My pen is color black. Okay? We used my in both sentences because the subjects are the same. I. Okay, let's proceed to the second possessive adjective. The second possessive adjective is the word your. And when are we going to use your? Let's read. Used if the subject of the sentence is the pronoun. Again, I cannot hear you. Very good. Used if the subject of the sentence is the pronoun you. Okay, we have the example. You have a cute ribbon. You have a cute ribbon. So, in the possessive form, it will become your ribbon is cute. Again, your ribbon is cute. Next example we have, you have an old laptop. You have an old laptop. So, in the possessive adjective usage, it will become your laptop is old. Your laptop is old. Okay? We used your because the sentence says use, very good, the pronoun you. Okay? We are finished with my and you. How about the third possessive adjective? What do you think is the third one? Okay? The third one is the word her, which is used if the subject of the sentence is the pronoun she, or if it's not she, it can be girl's name. Okay? Only one, either she or one girl's name. Okay? We have an example. She has a new wallet. She has a new wallet. So, if you are going to use the possessive adjective, it will become her wallet is new. Her wallet is new. Okay? We have the subject here, she. So, of course, as what we read here, we should use her if the subject is she. The second sentence, Jenny has a cool phone. Jenny has a cool phone. So now, this is not a she. The subject is not the word she. The subject is the name Jenny. And Jenny is the name of, very good, a girl. So that's why the possessive adjective that we're going to use here is her. Her phone is cool. Her phone is cool. Did you get it? So, let's proceed to the fourth possessive adjective, which is the his. Again, what is the fourth possessive adjective? Very good. His. Okay? Used if the subject of the sentence is the pronoun he. Okay? A while ago, we talked about her. It talks about she when the subject is girl. But this time, his is used if the subject is he or a name of a boy or boy's name. Again, let's read. Used if the subject of the sentence is the pronoun he or a boy's name. So we have the example number 1. Miguel has big ball. And when we're going to use the possessive adjective, it will become his ball is big. His ball is big. Okay, next. He has a brown shirt. He has a brown shirt. What is the color of his shirt? Brown. So what will be the possessive adjective? His shirt is brown. Again, his shirt is brown. I hope you get it. Next, we have the fifth possessive adjective. The fifth possessive adjective is the word our. Our. Okay. When are we going to use the word our? Used if the subject of the sentence is the pronoun we. The pronoun we. So, we have here the examples. We have a big house. And if you're going to use the possessive adjectives, it will become our house is big. Our house is big. And here, we have a wide room. What will be the possessive adjective if we are going to use it? Okay, it will become, our room is wide. Our room is wide. So, we are finished with the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. We're down to the last one. We have the sixth possessive adjective is the word there. There. Okay, when are we going to use there? Do you know? Let's read. Used if the subject of the sentence is the pronoun. What pronoun? Very good. The pronoun they or any plural subject. Okay, it can be they. It can be any plural subject. The same with her. It can be she and it can be a name of a girl. And with his, it can be he or it can be a name of a boy. But this time, if you're going to use there, it should be they or, very good, any plural subject. So we have the examples. The first one is, the kids have good teachers. The kids have good teachers. Look at the subject. It is the kids. So, it is plural. Now, where is the noun? The noun there is teachers. So, it will become, their teachers are good. Their teachers are good. As what you can see, we have the noun here and we have the, what do you call this? Okay, possessive adjective before the noun. Okay, next example. They have very large class. They have very large class. So, if you're going to use the possessive adjective, it will become, their class is very large. Or, again, what is that? Their class is very large. So, we have here the noun class and the possessive adjective, which is the there. We are finished with the 6 possessive adjectives. So, let's try to use possessive adjectives in each sentence. So, let's start. Let's help this pig here. She is confused whether to choose A, to choose B, or to choose C. So, let's try to help. Let's read. Kendra has a new bag. Blank bag is pink. Again, Kendra has a new bag. Blank bag is pink. What should be the answer? Kendra is a girl, a name of a girl. Is it my, is it his, or is it her? Very good. It should be her. Next one. My cousins have new car. My cousins have new car. Now, blank car is new. Blank car is new. Which possessive adjective do you think is the correct answer? His? Sorry, his is not the correct adjective or possessive adjective. The correct possessive adjective is the word there. There. Okay, next. Mark stayed in his house. Mark stayed in his house. Blank house is big. Blank house is big. So, what do you think is the correct possessive adjective? Okay, very good. The word his. As what you can see in the sentence, it is already here. Mark stayed in his house. Of course, in the second sentence, you will talk about his house is big. Next, the fourth sentence. We have dogs. Blank dogs are Dalmatians. Again, we have dogs. Blank dogs are Dalmatians. So the subject there is we. Again, what possessive adjective are we going to use if the subject is we? Very good. You are really listening. We are going to use the word our as the possessive adjective in this sentence. So, next one. We have she has a sister. Blank name is Hannah. She has a sister. Blank name is Hannah. What do you think is the possessive adjective? Very good, of course. Hannah is a girl. So we are going to use the word her as the possessive adjective. So next, we have Marco is an athlete. Again, Marco is an athlete. Basketball is blank favorite sport. Basketball is blank favorite sport. Marco, is it a boy or a girl? Okay, a boy. So if it's a boy, what are you going to use? Very good. The word his as the possessive adjective in this sentence. So, we have the next sentence, number 7. Jack is very noisy. Blank voice is very loud. Again, Jack is very noisy. Blank voice is very loud. Now, which do you think is the correct possessive adjective in this sentence? Very good, because the name Jack is for a boy. So, we're going to use his. Again, his. Good job! Clap your hands. Okay, so before we will end this class, we will have a recap. We will review what you have learned today. So we'll start with possessive adjective. When we say possessive adjectives, what is that? Okay, we have the my. Next is the your and her. Okay, we have I. Okay, we have my if you are referring to the subject I. Your if the subject is you. And her if the subject is girl or boy. Very good. A girl or the pronoun she. How about the other possessive adjectives? We have his, our, and their. His is used if the subject is very good, the pronoun he or a boy's name. How about our? Okay, very good. If the subject is we. And their, if the subject of the sentence is very good, the pronoun they or any other plural subject. We are almost finished with our lesson for today, but we will not be finished if we will not review the example sentences that use possessive adjective. So we have here his puppy. Where is the possessive adjective? Very good, the word his. And your wallet, possessive adjective is your. Her hair, possessive adjective is her. And our shop, what is the possessive adjective? Very good, the word our. That ends our lesson for today. I hope you really learned well talking about possessive adjectives. See you next time and see you on my Zoom online class. Goodbye!